Hello class, this is your first video about revising Essay 2. Essay 2 on Between the World and Me is our longest paper of the semester. So you will have a lot of work to do in order to have a good essay that's 7 pages or longer. Okay, the 4 steps for revising an essay. This is the same 4 steps that you saw when we were revising Essay 1. So it's the same idea again, but a different paper. Okay, first, how long will it take? 6 to 8 hours, maybe more. So if you just spend a couple hours revising your essay, that won't be enough, especially for a long paper. You must study the comments I gave you on your rough draft. So make sure you've gone in there and looked at the comments in the box, plus the comments on the essay itself. And I hope that you will have signed up for conference. You'll talk with me and talk with Jed about revising. Also, before we get to the 4 steps, revisit the comments you got on the Essay 1 final draft. Those are important. Not all the detailed comments, but the main summary comment, because that should tell you what your strengths and weaknesses are. Okay? So if I said on your Essay 1 that you had a lot of detail, but you need to organize better, then on Essay 2, you really want to focus on organizing. Okay? Because the goal is to get better with each paper. All right, revising step 1, read and think more, get smarter, learn new things. So you will dive back in the book and look at key spots again. Maybe add a few more notes. Think about how you want to expand your paper. Also, you will finish your research and study your outside sources. In the Week 11 module, you have 3 steps for research. So your goal is to finish your research before you start revising your paper. So you'll see that in Week 11. Clarify your overall argument. Improve your thesis and outline. Make sure your thesis directly answers the essay question. And the essay must match the thesis. All body paragraphs support the thesis. So if you're on page 6, remember your reader forgot your thesis, unless you're being very clear about how every new piece of information supports that thesis. Better outline, probably for most people, and you'll see my video on that. And then I hope that you have conferences during Week 11 with Jed and with me, and we can really help you clarify what you're doing in your paper. All right, beef it up. So I'll start with this one. So the minimum length for this essay is 7 full pages, not including the works cited. So that's important. This is our longest paper of the semester. Okay, so probably in revising you will add more details, quotes, examples from Between the World and Me and from your outside sources. And while you do that, you have to make your organization better and better. Explain your thinking fully. Link every new thing to the thesis. Some people on the educated essay handed in papers that were too much book summary and not enough you making your points. So that's what an essay is. You have to explain your thinking about every detail and link it all to the thesis. And then, of course, at the end of your revising process, you have cleanup time. So proofreading is about grammar, spelling, etc. Everybody's different here. So again, you might look at your rough draft and final draft of Essay 1, and really think about what your strengths and weaknesses are for the technical aspects of writing. And then, of course, you have to be in MLA format. You have to have an in-text citation. Those are the citations during your essay. And you need one for everything. You must cite everything. And then you need a works cited page at the end. The works cited page will have the book, Between the World and Me, plus all of your outside sources that you cite during the paper. So if you have Jones in parentheses during your essay, then you'll need Jones on your works cited. Okay? I will give you another video about citations and that sort of thing. All right, so that's it. That's your overview of the revising process. And I hope you will talk with me and Jed to clarify what it means for you, because everybody's paper is different.